Hi everyone, we are Uncle DiDi. SFA had approved of the floor plan we submitted and replied with a checklist that is suitable for our license type. We are supposed to set up the shop according to the floor plan. Some common pointers are as follows. The impervious material for the walls, you can choose between tiles, acrylic or stainless steel. We chose acrylic. Impervious material for the floors, you can choose between tiles and paint. We chose epoxy paint. If you are using other materials that you are unsure, do check with SFA. SFA requires all food establishments to have two sinks, one for washing, one for hand wash. So we bought two stainless steel sinks and got a professional plumber to do up the piping. A grease trap may be required for some food establishments, so do check with PUB before proceeding with the plumbing work. We also bought a pedal bin, which is a requirement as well. Additionally, we bought two new stainless steel tables, new decoration lights to replace the old ones, and modified the existing cabinet to suit our needs. In our next video, we'll talk about how we got ready for the SFA inspection. See you!